Let's learn colors with this giant marble maze.
Blue. Yellow. Red. Green. Orange. Pink. Purple. White.
rainbow!
It's Disney Cars Monster Trucks with Mater as Tormentor, Ice Screamer, Patio Concrete, Lightning McQueen as Frightening McQueen, and Rastacarian.
Hey, man! Let's go off-roading. Woo-wee, that's a good idea. Come on! Hey, wait up! Yee-haw! My turn. I love mudding. Here I come, man. Looky here, I can climb this here tree. Woo-wee! Oh, that's easy. Whoa! No brakes, no brakes, no brakes! Watch me land this! Daggum! Hey, let's race! Good idea! Woo-wee! Look at me go! Watch it, man!
See you guys at the arena.
Welcome to tonight's Monster Truck Jam! First up, Ice Screamer, who's crushing 3 cars. Look at that damage! Crushing 4 cars is Rastacarian. Total carnage. Crushing 5 cars is Concrete O'Malley. Look at that damage. Look here, I can crush 8 cars. Oh yeah, so can I. How about you both try? Yeah, and race.
Tonight's main event, Mater versus McQueen. It's a car graveyard.
You see that? I won. No, you didn't. I did. What you mean? I won. No, I did. You guys, these games are about having fun, not showing off. Yeah, I guess he's right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry too. Hey, race it to the sandbox. Hey, wait up. Woo-wee! I won. Dadgum, it's a giant baby.
Oh no. Car's ready.
Somebody save me from this giant baby. Hey, quit that!
Where'd he go?
I'm right here.
Found him.
Daggum, that's humiliating. Hey, where are we going? Race car number 1. Race car number 2. Race car number 3. Race car number 4. Race car number 5. Race car number 6. Six race cars and one truck. Let's count the cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and our last car, number 7. We have 7 cars. Red, orange, yellow, light green, green, blue, and purple. Now that we have our cars sorted, let's put them in garages. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 garages that go way up high. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars. 1 car for each garage. Let's figure out where each car goes. Here's the number 1. Where does the number 1 car go? Right here, in the 1 garage. How about the number 2? Do you know where the number 2 goes? Let's see. All the way up here into the number 2 garage. Next we have number 3. Where does the number 3 go? Let's see. Right here.
Now it's the number 4's turn. Where do you think the number 4 goes? I'll bet it goes right up here in the number 4 garage. The next 3 garages are way up high, so we have to look up. Here's the number 5. Where do you think the number 5 goes? Right up here. Next we have the number 6. Where do you think the number 6 goes? Did you say here? Good job! That's where the number 6 goes. Our last car is the number 7. The number 7 goes, whoa, way up high, in the number 7 garage.
Alright guys, let's see if Genevieve would like to play.
This is the number 1. Okay, put the rain number 1. Put a car like this.
Good job.
Make it number 3. Okay, it's down here. Down way down here.
What's next?
How about 4?
The number 4?
Yes. They're real tall.
Oh, what goes inside?
Okay, number 4, what's this?
There you go. Number's that.
5! Good, then put the numbers and up here. Okay, real tall. Put a car like this.
Yeah? Cool. What is that?
Alright, it's number 6. And real tall, too.
My paw.
Roses.
Good job.
It's a real tall.
I know, it's really tall. Alright, what number is that?
And 7, real up high. 7, what thing? Oh no, they turned around!
Oh no, they're turned around.
It didn't want this sign. Is it here? It's right, it's number 6. Put it here, great job. About number 7.
Yeah, number 7?
It's number 7.
Good job.
About number 5. Number 5.
Good job.
Oh, it's number 4.
I see it.
It's number 3.
Good job. What's next? What's in this one?
1, 2.
Good job.
It's number 2.
Alright. What's in that one?
1. It's number 1.
Good job.
Look, it's getting filled out.
Oh no, number 1. Oh, they all fell down.
So, bye. See you.
Bye, see you later. One,
난 소방차. 불 끄는 일은 나한테 맡기라고.
2,
나는 불도저.
3,
구급차. 아픈 사람을 태우고
4,
덤프트럭.
5,
난 견인차야.
6,
나는 화물차.
7,
난 경찰차. 우리 동네 안전지킴이 출동.
8,
난 레미콘.
9,
난 택시. 손님을 빠르고 안전하게 고고.
10,
난 포크레인이야.
push the red star.
나는 가리야.
Turn the yellow knob.
나는 란이라고 해.
Flip the green switch.
슈퍼버스 록입니다.
Roll the blue dial.
자유랑 숨바꼭질하자.
blue, green, yellow, red,
자유랑 숨바꼭질하자.
슈퍼버스 록입니다. 안녕.
야호!
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 나는 가리야.
나는 란이라고 해. 자유랑 숨바꼭질하자.
Look, kids, there are honeybees buzzing around the playhouse. Can you help me put the bees back in their beehive? Let's use tweezers so we don't hurt them. Look, it's a red bee. Where should we put it? How about here in the middle with the red hexagon? Here we go, yellow bee. Let's put you back in your home. Where should we put the yellow bee? Down here in the yellow hexagon. Good job. How about this purple bee? Where should we put the purple bee? Up here. Alright, we have 3 bees left. Here's a green bee. Let's put it down here. There you go, bee. 2 more bees left. We got the blue one. Where should we put the blue one? That's right, up here. Last one. It's the orange bee. Let's put the orange bee in the orange hexagon. Alright, now that we have our bees safely in their beehive, how about we plant them a cactus so they can get some nectar to make honey? Alright, let's start with the stalk of the cactus. And now let's add these bigger green arms. Oh, it fell over. This is a balancing cactus, so we gotta make sure to balance it. Let's try that again. Put one here, and put one here. That way it'll be even. Now for the medium-sized branches. It's starting to look like a cactus now. I think the bees are gonna like this. Now let's add the yellow, orange, and red ones. These are the flowers of the cactus. The bees can get nectar from the flowers. Alright, 2 more, and we'll have our cactus. Awesome! Doesn't it look cool? Alright, let's see if we can gently add the bees to the cactus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, our last one. And 6. All 6 bees are on our cactus. Now maybe they can make us some honey. Oh wow, they did! Look at that! That looks so yummy! Thank you, bees! Alright everybody, I hope you had fun. Tune in next time and I'm gonna try some of this honey. Bye! Hey guys, check it out! We have 2 peg pounding benches. We have a big one and a small one. Let's play with the small one first. Let's count how many pegs it has. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it comes with a cool little hammer. Watch. Whoa! Let's put them back where they belong. What color is this? Yellow. So where should the yellow peg go? It should go here. The yellow mark. How about this color? It's green. Let's see. Let's put the green one right there. We have 2 more left. We have the red one. Where does the red one go? Right there. That's right. And last one is the blue one. And the blue one goes right there. Yay, we put all the colors back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, and the yellow one got stuck. There it goes. Alright, let's check out the big pounding table. Wow, this one has a lot more pegs. I'll need help counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one has 8 pegs. The small one only had 4. Let's see what happens when we give him a tap. Whoa! When you hit the ones in front, the one in the back pops up. That's cool. Blue, orange, yellow, light blue, pink, red, purple, and green. I have an idea. I wonder what happens if we put cars on each of these pegs. There's a green one, purple, red, and pink. Now let's smash them. Whoa. Blue, orange, yellow, light blue. Whoa. There you go. Uh-oh, he's upside down.
Oh no, it's right down.
They're all upside down. Good job.
It was right down. It's too big. It's too big and small. It's too big and small.
It's too big because the hole is small.
Sorry, big. Make it small.
The small one fits, that's right. What color is that?
Blue.
Can you hit the blue one? What color is that?
Orange.
Can you hit the orange one? Can you hit the yellow one?
There you do it.
Can Daddy do it? Can you hit the light blue one?
Oh no, two ones is gone now.
Two of them are gone now? Evie, hit that one. There you go. See, look. It came up. There you go.
There you go. Now we're up here.
Now we're up here, that's right.
Oh no, it's right down.
They slid down.
Oh no, it is right up.
You want a surprise?
It is
What is that?
chalk in there.
Shopkins in there. You want me to open it?
I'll open these chalkins.
What's in there?
What's that?
What is it?
Shulkin. Look it. It's cool. Make it.
Oh, look. What is that?
Oh, it's a Shulkin.
It's really cute. Let me see.
This is yellow.
It's yellow?
Let's see. Okay, now the Shulkin. Open it.
Alright, here's the other one that was in there.
Oh no, it's Shulkin. Look at the scissors.
You need scissors? Okay. Here we go.
What's that?
What is that?
Oh, so shocking. Make it so cute.
Let me see. What'd you get?
Oh, it's a shocking.
Oh, look. It's a little nail polish one.
Shocking, so cute. It's cool.
Where's it go?
It's a pink one.
Oh! Oh! It fell down. That was fun, huh?
It's a bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
See you later.
See you later.
Thank you, it's the Shoggins.
You're welcome for the Shopkins.